What's up everyone, and happy Engineers Week. I hope you're busy discovering the engineering all around you and how it plays a role in your daily lives. I also hope you're checking out some awesome engineering careers and learning about the skills that engineers use to create the world around us and how they come up with solutions to the challenges we face. An engineer is a person who designs and builds complex things, machines or systems and structures. Engineers find out how things work and then use that knowledge to help them do it and come up with solutions. Engineering is all around us. Take a look around and you'll see lots of engineering inventions. There are lots of different types of engineers and they all work together in teams to come up with solutions to challenges. Engineers are also behind many of our favorite sporting pastimes, from designing amazing stadiums and technology that analyzes our performance to help us play better, to equipment that keeps us safe and injury-free, and designs that make sport accessible to all. So that's why we're back at Crow Park, the home of Gaelic games, to discover the role engineers play in sport. I'll be joined by some GAA stars. I say joined, I mean challenged. And we'll test out some new sports equipment and technology that are transforming sports around the world, and discovering the diverse roles engineers play in this. There'll also be a robot or two joining in on the crack. So I hope you're up for the game, because it's game time. Whatever sport you're into, engineers are part of the process. Everything in the human world has been built and designed by engineers, scientists, and teams of others. And that includes the things you like most, like your phone, your bed, your laptop, your car, your house, AirPods, and even your favorite sports. From designing footballs, boots, slitters, hurleys, to making sure your gear is comfortable, practical, even aerodynamic. Engineers build equipment that help us train better, and they design technology that help us analyze our performances, providing data on our strengths and weaknesses, and also those of your opponents, helping you gain the competitive edge. Engineers also design the awesome stadiums around the world, making sustainable futuristic buildings that improve your experience. Which of these stadiums is your favorite? Engineers even design equipment to make sports accessible to everyone, improving the design of wheelchairs or running blades, which are those high-performance prosthetic legs, or other prosthetics that help athletes who need them. An Irish mechanical engineer designed and built this prosthetic arm to help a young rower. Engineers change the world and make a big difference. Many of them are even elite athletes playing sport at the highest level. In fact, let's hear from some of them now.
Hey everyone. I'm Neil McManus, centre forward with the Antrim Senior Hurlers. I'm a manufacturing engineer with Andor Technology in Belfast. Engineering is really important to Gaelic games so that we can keep up to pace with the technological developments of the day.
Hey everyone, I'm Mary Ryan. I play camogie for Tipperary and I play in the full-back position. My favourite part of playing the sport is being involved with a team, being part of a team, working towards a shared goal, which is similar to what I do in my role as an engineer. Engineers are really helping modern day athletes perform at the highest level.
I also hope many of you have been able to get involved in the STEPS and the Gaelic Players Association Challenge to engineer the game of the future. The competition is open to all primary and secondary school students and challenges you to come up with ideas or innovations of what the Gaelic Games could look like in 2050. And there's some fantastic prizes to be won, so I encourage all of you to get involved. Bug your teacher until they do, or teachers annoy your students until they get involved. Just please, someone annoy someone. The deadline's the 25th of March, so get moving. Whether it's mechanical engineers, biomedical engineers, chemical engineers, or electrical, material, civil and structural engineers, they all contribute to helping us perform and enjoy in our sport. So let's take a look at some of those contributions, starting with equipment. Because whatever sport you play, you'll use some form of equipment. A ball, it could be a tennis racket, a helmet if you're playing tennis with me, You can have a slitter, American football, go long, or a discus. I'm not doing that, because all this equipment must be built to work properly and to help athletes perform their best. All the cool equipment and sports gear you use is tested by different types of engineers. In sports, a lot of things fly through the air. Have a think about what sports involve things or people moving through the air. Air is all around us, so all of them. Players can run or cycle or jump through the air, and they can kick or throw things through the air too. Balls, javelins, arrows. Have a think with your classmates of what other things move through the air in sports. The study of how things move through the air is called aerodynamics, and you can study it inside a wind tunnel, kind of like this one. It's a tunnel with air flowing through it, and some smoke or color dye is used so you can see how the air behaves as it flows over the object inside. Check out some of the things I've put in. All this study can help make sure the equipment is designed and built in the best way possible. Check out some tests they do to design the World Cup football. Even the clothes you wear in sport are designed to help you perform your best. Think of the clothes you wear during PE and discuss how they're different than your normal school uniform. Are they more comfortable, stretchier, warmer or colder, softer or rougher? Are they waterproof? Check the collar and see if they are made from different materials. Everything in the world around us is made from materials, so it's important to choose the best materials for the job. Nobody would want a glass hurley or a cotton candy helmet, although that would be delicious. Or a concrete football, not so delicious. Or a jersey that absorbs water and gets heavy and sticky when it rains. Choosing materials that don't harm the environment is important too. Those of you that play hurling will know that hurleys are made from... Actually, let's take a moment. Put your hands up in the class. Who knows the answer? I'll just wait around for a second. Those who said ash are correct. But did you know that Irish companies are looking for alternative materials to make hurleys from to protect more ash trees? And some players have already started using hurleys made from bamboo. Gloves are also used in many sports for goalkeepers and players to help them catch and hold onto the ball. The gloves increase the force of friction between the ball and your glove, helping you grip it. And they also must be comfortable to wear. There's even a liquid that can improve your grip, That's popular in the NFL or weightlifting. It's a liquid chalk that's a water-based mixture of magnesium carbonate, alcohol and a thickener. And after rubbing it on your hands, it binds to your skin, creating an amazing gripping surface. Just don't overdo it. Engineers are changing sports around the world, and we are all now able to track our exercise just like top athletes with fitness trackers like these. Do any of you guys wear fitness trackers? Pause the video and discuss with your class what things you can learn from them and how it can help you. Now, check out this piece of equipment. The beginnings trace back to the 2012 All-Ireland Hurling Championship, where former Kilkenny hurler Noel Doherty's hamstring injury ruled him out of the game, but gave him an idea. Using his background in construction and design, he created a device that would help him strengthen his hamstring muscles during rehab and prevent further injury down the line. This idea eventually became the hamstring solo and is now used by top teams and athletes around the world. It uses built-in sensors to measure hamstring strength and quantify left to right hamstring strength imbalances, helping to assess injury risk, track fatigue, and monitor recovery. The data is monitored through an app on your mobile device, enabling a greater insight into hamstring function and strength. So, let's give it a shot. Feel that burn? Ooh. Now that you know where your hamstrings are, what about your quadriceps? Do you know what part of your body your quadriceps are located? What about your biceps or triceps? Spend some time in class learning the names and locations of major muscle groups. Other cool technologies help us make the right decisions in sports. VAR, or Video Assisted Referee, is used in football to help us decide if a player was offside or if a foul was made. Hawkeye is used in cricket, tennis and GAA to help us see if a ball or a sliotar has gone over the bar. Because sometimes the ball's just moving so fast, it's hard for us humans to see it properly and make the right decision. But with the help of high-speed cameras and computers, we are now able to make the right decisions. Most times. With the help of technology, we can all make sure the right decisions are made, so we don't have to depend on people like this. Oh, you go way over that! Do you hear he was the mascot at one stage as well? Bleeding crackers he is! I didn't see that one at all. Do you have that in the 8, do you? Bleeding starving. Robots are way more reliable, and they don't get hungry. So computers may replace humans in the decision-making process, but will we ever see a robot step onto the pitch? Good one. This is RoboKeeper, the fastest goalkeeper in the world, and it's the fastest for a very special reason. The RoboKeeper's eyes are 2 high-speed cameras located up in the top corners. Each camera takes 90 pictures a second, so a total of 180 pictures. And it sends that information to a computer at the back, which uses image processing software to predict the likely trajectory of where the ball is going to go into the goals. Then it sends that information to RoboKeeper, which sets him in motion, saving the ball every time. All of this happens in a split second, faster than you could kick the ball. Are goalkeepers of the future going to be robots? Well, there is a catch. Because RoboKeeper here is on a pivot, he can only move like this. So take a look at the goals. You can probably imagine a position that the keeper is not able to get. Have a look at the goals. Where do you think that position is? I can tell you, It's located in the top corners, where RoboKeeper physically can't get to. And even for human goalkeepers, mathematics tells us that there is an optimal position to place the penalty if you want to maximize your chance of scoring. And that's located in the top corners, out of what's called the diving range. The range which a goalkeeper can actually get to in a split second from when you kick the ball until it hits the back of the net. So that's what maths tells us. Aim for those top corners. Bit risky, but if you get it, more than likely you're going to score. So I think I can't just stand here. I think I'm going to have to take a penalty. So mathematics tells us where to put it. RoboKeeper, you're going down. Ooh, zing, zing, zing. Eat that, RoboKeeper. Robots, what do they know? Everything, it seems. Robots can react much quicker than humans can. And here's a fun and easy reaction test you can do in class or at home. All you need is a ruler, a friend, and your reactions, which I have around here somewhere. They're in me. For us humans to react, we have to get the information from our senses, like our eyes. Then our eyes send that information to our brain, and our brain has to decide what to do. And then it sends that command to our muscles to do it. And that all takes time. And it happens in a fraction of a second, but computers are much quicker. So a fun way to test your reactions is get your friend to hold the ruler at the very, very top. And you have to hold your hand at the very, very bottom, keeping your hand open. And your friend, at a time unknown to you, at any point, has to drop the ruler. You have to react and try and grip the ruler as quick as you can. You can then see at what point on the ruler you've gripped it, and you can compare your score to the score of your friends. There's now a wide range of fitness trackers like these ones that are available to everyone that give us insights like sleep patterns, nutrition, and exercise. And mine is now telling me I need to get moving. So I think it's time for a few challenges, which means I need someone to challenge me.
Hi, my name is Grace Clifford. I play football for the Kildare Senior Ladies Football Team. The position I play is midfield.
Okay, Grace, thank you for joining me here at Explorium for the Target Challenge. I hope you're up for a challenge.
I think I am.
Okay.
I think I am, yes.
Because for Steps Engineers Week, I came up with a challenge where we both have 2 minutes to get the highest score possible. Using the ball, you have to kick out of your hands though, that's the rule.
Okay.
And you have to either get the goals for 5, you have the pillars for 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, or if you have the confidence, you can aim to chip it into the cart for 50.
Easy.
Easy.
Easy. I take back that.
Any particular approaches? What way do you think?
I don't want to give any secrets away.
Oh, right. This is getting competitive.
Yes.
Who wants to go first?
You.
I know I was going to rock, paper, scissors.
No.
Just straight up me.
I think this is you.
I'm going to go first.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, put 2 minutes on the clock. I'm up first because I do my stretches.
You'll need to. You'll need it all.
I'm ready to go. Okay. All right.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. Okay, which one? Oh! Oh yeah, I could ricochet back. Oh, okay. Interesting technique. No! Oh my God. Confidence is low. Oh God.
This is disaster. This is total.
What is the technique? Oh my God.
This is going to be... if you keep laughing...
You have plenty of time.
Alright, I'm going to go for the big ones, right?
That's what I was hoping for.
I think I gotta
No
go.
pressure, no pressure. You actually have plenty. No.
Oh. I'm gonna go.
Yes. We've got a 10. Oh, that was close. Okay, you have 45 seconds left. You have 10 points in the bag. No pressure. I don't know, I'm learning what not to do here. Oh, yes. Yes, no. Okay. I can't slag. Okay, 10 seconds left. Oh my God. The flat one is in. Time.
Great. You've probably learned what not to do.
What not to do. I have learned what not to do. Safe to say, yes. I'm not going to big myself up too much here though, because
What was wrong with my technique? I was going for
you weren't. I don't know what you were going for.
I was going for the
It wasn't. You were going for kind of a low and. I think I might go for more of a line and up.
Okay, Grace. Not the most outstanding performance. I wore the wrong socks. I wore the black ones. I'm much better with the white.
I hear excuses. That's all I hear. Yeah,
okay,
it's
you
just
have
excuses.
A score of 25 to beat. Where's your head at?
I'm not going to say much.
Okay.
Feeling confident. I think I learned what not to do. That's what I kind of feel I took from your performance there. But we'll just see how I go there now. I don't know.
Ready?
Yeah, I think I'm good.
All right.
I'm feeling it. Yeah, I'm feeling good.
2 minutes on the clock.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
2, 1, go.
Okay.
What's that line? Over the line. Take it over that line.
Oh, sorry. Line. Okay. Oh God.
Oh no. Stop.
Oh lads. Oh my God. That's 20. Hold on. Okay, I want that. The 50. I'm allowed. Okay, hold on. Slow and steady. Did I get 50 though? 15. What's my time? Oh. Got 25. I have a minute. Well, I can stop now, can't I? Because I'm winning. The 25 is annoying me. How many times have I nearly got to 25? Okay, 50. Will I go? Hi, what? Are you miscounting me? We're not level. Twice double 15. Oh. Okay. Okay, 15 seconds left. I'm winning anyway, so I'm feeling fairly confident. Okay. I went to
You got the 15, you got the
15, 20, 30.
So the results are in, Grace, and actually someone lost the results. They were lost in transit. There's someone they didn't, I think there's a rematch. Wait, so there's someone in my
Oh, well, I remember anyway.
rematch. What?
I remember the results anyway. We don't need this. I won. I won. Why, what was it? 25 to?
65.
Yeah, convincing.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
One goes to you. All right. Okay, Grace, thank you for joining me for challenge number 2. And first challenge didn't go exactly to plan for me. How are you feeling about challenge number 2?
Yeah, my confidence is up. I'm feeling good. You know,
Okay,
yeah,
all
feeling
right.
good.
We're back at RoboKeeper, and our challenge is we each have 8 footballs, and there are 4 targets, each in the 4 corners. You get 1 point for the bottom corners, 2 points for the top corners. 8 footballs, the highest score wins.
Easy.
We'll see. Who's going first?
You
Winner
go.
has to go first.
Okay.
Yes, like that. Celebrating that for. I won that one.
The only thing you'll win. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, I don't think I'm like,
Struggling a little bit now, okay?
yeah, I don't know why I don't need to rush. I have time. Oh, struggling really big. Okay. Okay, fourth ball. Okay. Okay. Oh my God. Pressure's on, the pressure's on. Okay. I need to stop going for the same ones.
Oh no, you nailed it! You know the game plan, you're just going to talk about.
Chance to regroup. Okay. 2 more. Okay, I'm feeling good. Okay. I need to go for a high one, don't I, really? Okay.
Okay, it's a good score. It's 2. You did it.
Yeah, 2, that's
Yeah, I
it.
thought you were going to say it's 2.
No.
See, you've already seen what
Yeah, well, you weren't far. Oh, maybe I spoke too soon. I could have this one in the bag as well. Just go. No pressure, no pressure, no points. Fourth ball, no points.
Okay. I got it. Easy, like.
And easy.
You do it like easy.
Okay, we're drawing. Don't miss anyway. Yeah, don't miss. You missed it. Okay, this is the decider. No pressure. Watch the keeper. Don't hit the keeper. Don't hit the keeper.
That's a draw, though.
Draw, yeah, but I have the win.
That was a clear draw on that one.
Yeah, but overall, I'm winner. GA is part of every parish. There's one in every local town, and it's a sense of belonging when you play with your club and you represent your club at intercounty level. It's what I love to do, so that's why I love playing the game. We do a lot of homework on watching ourselves back, so that's a huge area where engineering comes into play and technology, where we watch a lot of video analysis on ourselves, and we have a statistician who comes in and would do a lot of video clips for us, and we'll do a lot of homework on ourselves. And not only that, we'll do a lot of homework on the opposition as well. We use an app within the squad where we would track our wellness every morning, and we put in our sleep and our wellness and how our mood and how it's affected, and we'll get a little message saying you need more sleep and you need to. So we do all of these little things that prepare us for to be ready to play our game and be at 100%. Recovery has become a huge side of any athlete's preparation. It's a game of inches, I suppose, and that's what people focus in on to try to be 100%. Along with the massage guns, all of these little areas, all these technologies have helped improve and speed up the recovery aspect for athletes. And the demand of the game now, where you're week on week and training has become really tough, these are all huge areas that have become really popular. Not only that, there's such amazing, fantastic careers you can get in sport nowadays, not just on field, but away from the field, such as sports performance side of things, sports science, the engineering side of things, where it comes down to like GPS equipment and such as, designing gear, designing equipment for recovery. Really, the world is your oyster with it. It's endless, and it's a really exciting time, I think, for sport. For any young boy or girl looking to pursue a career in GA or any sport at all, it just requires commitment, hard work, but most importantly, enjoying it. It's huge, and if you don't enjoy it, you're not going to do your best at it. So it's about getting out, being active, being with your friends, and enjoying it and embracing it, and it'll all go from there. Happy Steps Engineers Week to you all. I hope you all get out, get active, and explore the world of sport and engineering.
See you, Grace. If she wasn't a fellow Lily White, I'd be so annoyed right now. As you can see, engineers play a huge role in many aspects of our favourite sports, and many different types of engineers work together in teams to develop equipment, materials, products and systems that support athletes and fans, and help sport become sustainable and more accessible for everyone. And there's a huge range of engineering careers, and I hope you've all been inspired to discover careers that you'll enjoy and that'll have a positive impact on your community, town or your country. Guys, I hope you have an awesome Engineers Week, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and a massive thank you to the team at Engineers Ireland for all the shows, events, workshop, resources and talks to celebrate all things engineering this week. And if you've enjoyed the show or have any questions, let me know on social media, which mine is here somewhere. And guys, I hope you have a fantastic Engineers Week. I need to get practicing. All right. Get up, Elder. Ah, come on, ref, foul play!
I am the referee. Analyzing. Prognosis negative. No foul. You suck.
Happy Engineers Week, everyone. Sorry about that. Call it quits. Don't take over the world.